Would you say drawing this test match in SCG is as good as winning?
Absolutely. Why I would say that? Because not very many fans, not very many experts, not very many critics gave Indian team any chance. But this Indian team is made of a different kind, if I may say. The way Rahane instilled in this team, never say die spirit. So that has been amazing. It started from the opening partnership. Both the innings we got 70-run partnership, chasing 400 plus runs. Starting with a 70-run partnership, it gives you a breathing space. And then the way Rishabh Pant batted, Rishabh and Cheteshwar Pujara. Rishabh Pant took Nathan Lyon on, who was their trump card, who was their main bowler, who could trouble all the batsmen. If you go after Nathan Lyon, then he tends to struggle. And that is exactly what Rishabh Pant did. And then hats off to Hanuma Vihari and Ashwin. 247, partnership was 50, but 247 runs, 247 balls they played. That means 40 overs they played. And that, I must say, they must be very, very pleased, because nobody in the world gave them any chance to save this test match. But forget about winning the test match. At one stage, we were on the verge of winning when Rishabh and Cheteshwar were batting. So we put fear in the hearts of Australians. That was for me.
Well, I'll have to ask you. I'll have to ask you at this point: has Cheteshwar Pujara redeemed himself, in your opinion?
See, I would still say he batted beautifully. If you look at it today, he batted according to the situation. And then along with Rishabh Pant, he also started playing shots. That is what we expect from him. Once he's set, he should play shots and he should keep the scoreboard ticking. Nobody's doubting his talent. The guy who's got 18 plus hundreds, you can't argue with his talent or his ability. But the only thing is, he will have to maybe rotate the strike. He did a very good job today,
right?
And we know what he's capable of.
Right, Rishi, let me come to you. Rishabh Pant, is he emerging as one of Indian team's X factors?
Absolutely, Rika. I think this has to be his best knock in Test cricket till date. I mean, look at the way he performed today. No one gave Team India a chance, and the way he batted 12 fours and 4 sixes, I think, at one point we all thought that after Ajinkya Rahane got out, it's going to be like, wickets falling at regular interval. Credits to the management that they sent Rishabh Pant up the order, and the way he batted and the way he performed. I think it's a very emotional moment and a very proud moment for us Indians that we managed to, pull this test match off and get a draw from here.
Andrew, would you say this is one of the best rear guards that you've seen, and where would you really place this in all the matches that you've seen the rear guard action?
Hi, Reggie. Thanks for having me on. Yeah, I think it was really, you could say heroic. You don't want to disparage real heroes there sometimes as opposed to sportsmen, but it was great to see just the courage Vihari and Ashwin showed, especially in standing up to that barrage. They really stuck it out. And I mean, one comes to mind for me, Australia, we were in the UAE against Pakistan a few years ago, and Usman Khawaja had an amazing innings. He batted all day, and we also batted out for a draw, and it's great. It's, while it's not a win, it's a real moral boost to the team, as Ashwin said, that the dressing room, they're really pumped, and the series is still alive, and they get to go to Brisbane, winner takes all, and they'll be on a real high. So I think it's certainly in recent test matches between Australia and India, it's gone all 5 days. It's got very special memories, I think, for both teams, really.
Naresh, if we talk about today, what would you say was the turning point of the day? Was it Rishabh Pant's wicket?
First obviously was the promotion of Rishabh Pant. I'm sure that would have been decided before the day had started, because where Rohit and Gill were playing yesterday, it seemed that if you play your natural game, you will really be able to score. And playing out 98 overs just blocking is not the right approach against a brilliant bowling attack.
Right.
So they had to counter attack. So Rishabh Pant's move coming in obviously he got a couple of chances, but he's a proper risk reward cricketer. If you take the risk, he will definitely reward you with runs. But yeah, plan B was that in case he doesn't click, then was to try to play out the draw. So it was the execution of those plans which went very well. One, obviously Rishabh Pant doing very well, giving some hopes of the team winning the game. And then once he got out, and obviously Pujara always gets out to something very brilliant by the Australian bowlers. So then it was about trying to play out, and then it was Vihari and Ashwin show. So it was absolutely brilliant execution of the plan A and plan B.